So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the 11th time world champion for 2A, Shinji Saito. Bukas magpa-perform siya. We forced him to do it kasi sabi ni Hiro, di siya bibigyan ng pagkain sa bahay. So Shinji, how are you finding the Philippines so far?
Yabay daw, yabay.
Labo! Hindi, ano ba?
Ayaw niya astig daw yung Japan. Ayaw Philippines.
Astig ang Japan? Astig daw yung Philippines. So, what do you think of the players that you've met here so far? Especially si Raymark.
Parang nagugulat siya na hindi daw niya akalain na ganito ka-level yung Philippines.
Ito kagulo? Okay, so doon po sa mga gusto makakita kay Shinji na maglaro, balik po kayo bukas. Wala siya dalang music today, so he wasn't prepared. Iskandar and Shinji will perform tomorrow during the awarding ceremonies. So you have to watch out for that because these two guys are very, very good. Okay, so if the judges are ready, we're gonna go on. Shinji, thank you very much. See you tomorrow, man.